Here we go, folks. Michael Platt, Platt Motors, Anderson, California. I'm up here in the mountains outside of Redding, and I am looking at a beautiful 1967 Ford F-250 camper special custom cab. I'm here with my buddy Betty. Betty's owned this truck for about 25 years and purchased it from the original owner, who I believe was a relative of hers. Lots of good memories for Betty with this old baby. 67, as you may know, is the first year of this body style. And this is a desirable pickup. It is two-wheel drive. It is a long bed. It has been repainted once, but they repainted it in what Betty remembers was the original color. It's got those original, authentic black California plates on the front and the rear. Got some sort of custom bumper back here. Got a bed liner. Looks like a spray-in bed liner in the back. It is a camper special. I'm going to decode the VIN, see what engine we got in here. It is an 8-cylinder. Betty says they rebuilt it around 2010. Runs good, fired right up. Four-speed. That's what we like to see. 3 pedals. Looks like this may be a cover over the original seat. I'm not 100% sure, but this thing is sweet. Long-term ownership. And Betty loves it. It's an old family friend, and she wants to make sure that it goes to a good home. She's got the original radio, but I think she said her daughter popped in. Fancy looking JVC. Got 2 tanks. Door closed pretty good. Got these aftermarket mirrors. She said the other ones were kind of blocking her vision, so they put these on. But it's easy to take off. Some sort of strapping system. Haven't seen those before. But this thing is sweet, guys. 1967 Ford F-250. Long bed, 2-wheel drive. Black plate, California truck. They brought it out of San Bernardino. I don't see any serious rust, rot, cancer. It's pretty hot and dry out here. A little cooler than in the valley, but still hot and dry. So hey, if you like these Ford pickups like I do, and you know that I love them, 67 to 79 is my sweet spot, you should give me a call. My name is Michael Platt, and I own Platt Motors in Anderson, California. PlattMotors.com, 707-599-9448. Please check the still pictures on the website. My email is plattmotors@gmail.com. And this one is next. What a big day we had here at Platt Motors. But this is definitely one of the favorites, just because I'm an old Ford truck guy. I know you guys are going to appreciate this one. So give me a call anytime. I email, I text, but I love to talk, especially about old Ford pickups. This is right in my wheelhouse. And if it doesn't sell fast, I'm going to buy it myself. 707-599-9448, plattmotors.com. Appreciate you watching my videos. Look forward to talking to you soon. Thank you.